We'll guide you through how to show what games you're playing on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be cool to show what game you're playing on Discord. Not only does it look cool, but it's also really convenient because your friends or other people can go and see you're playing that game and perhaps can then go and say, I want to play with you, and you can go and start playing with others. But that's going to be up to you. So to get started with this, what you should do is go and have the game open. So as you can see, I've got Minecraft open like so. Of course, it can be a different game. Now, as you can see, we can go and see it in the bottom left here. If you can't, don't worry. Next, what you need to do is come to the bottom left of Discord and go and find user settings. And you want to go and click on the gear cog icon to open it up. I've got the stream mode enabled, but don't worry. On the left here, you want to go and scroll down. First of all, you want to come into registered games in activity settings like so. You want to make sure the game is appearing here and it's correct. So you can see it's detected Minecraft, which is right. If you can't see your game, you want to go and press add it. And then what you can do is go and open up this drop down list, and hopefully it will then go and appear here, and then it'll go and appear here. Once you've got it appearing in registered games, then what you need to do is come over to the left and you want to go and find activity privacy. Now what you want to do is go and switch on share my activity. It says share activity information from games and connected apps. So make sure you've got that switched on like so. Then what you can do is you can go and come into servers I share with, and you can do automatically share my activity when joining a server. At the moment, I've got mine set to share in servers under 200 members, but you can go and select share in all servers. So this means people in the server can go and see what game you're playing. You can also go and customize it for different servers as well. So I could press toggle all on, for example, or toggle all off. And then of course you can individually go and change it as well. So that's it. Now it's going to be obvious that I'm playing Minecraft from my profile. As you can see, it says GuideRealm Minecraft there. Of course, yours will be different. But that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful Discord guides, as well as many other topics as well.